Logseq's built-in flashcards enable you to create spaced repetition study items directly within your notes using concise commands. Cards coexist with the surrounding knowledge base, are straightforward to edit, and can be linked to relevant context. In this video, we demonstrate how to export those Logseq flashcards as a professionally formatted PDF. We use Typst, a modern typesetting language designed for precise, repeatable layouts, to programmatically apply consistent typography, so your study sets are print-ready. We developed a Python script, available via the link in the description, that collects flashcards from your Logseq graph and saves them into a Typst-compatible data structure. This data structure can then be imported into a Typst document to programmatically render a consistently formatted PDF suitable for printing or sharing. Check the description for links to an extended blog post, the Python script, and the Typst master document used in this video. The blog post includes examples, configuration options, and tips for Vim users, including a Vim plugin that integrates Typst's LSP and guidance on using the Typst command line tool. Finally, don't forget to check our flashcard notebook, a compact pen and paper solution that complements your digital flashcards or can be used standalone. We truly appreciate you watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for tuning in.